children, follow the fifth question. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Okay, let us draw the diagram and understand the sum clearly. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter. You suppose that there is a tree. Okay, children, this tree is broken at a height of 5 meter and the top of the tree touches the ground level and the top of the tree is 12 meter from the base of the tree. This is the base of the tree. So let this be A, this be B, top of the tree touching the ground be C. Now AB is the standing part of the tree. BC is the broken part of the tree. AB is nothing but 5 meter. BC we have to find it. And AC is the distance of the top of tree to its base. Base means base of the tree. That is roots of the tree. To its base. We have to find total height of the tree. Total height of the tree must be found. Total height of the tree is what? A, B plus BC we have to find it. Okay children, can you understand? AB is the remaining part which is standing still. BC is the broken part which touches the ground. C is the point where the top of the tree touches the ground. And the distance of the top of the tree to the base of the tree is 12 meter. It is given. Now we have to find total height of the tree. Total height is AB plus this broken part BC. Okay. Now see here. This is the right angle. Children, you remember that like this you will have more and more sums in your higher classes in 10th and 12th. So you have to understand the word problem and draw the picture correctly. Okay children, this is 90 degree. So in right triangle, what is the right triangle? ABC. ABC, in right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, which is the hypotenuse dear in this sum? Which is the hypotenuse? Yes, side BC is the hypotenuse. Why? Because BC is opposite to 90. So BC square is equal to other two sides AC, AB. Okay, AB square plus AC square. BC square we have to find. AB is given as 5, AC as 12. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. If I add it, 5 plus 4, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 169. BC square is 169. You all know very well 169 is 13 square. If you do not know, you can find this using prime factorization method. Okay, powers 2 is the same. So BC is 13 meter. Remember, this is not our answer. We have to find the total part of the tree. So total height of the tree equal to AB plus BC. What is AB? 5. 5 meter plus BC just we have found now 13 meter. That is 5 plus 3, 8. So 18 meter is our answer. Okay children, don't think it as 1. 18 meter is our answer. Thank you dears. We have no other go. We have to complete the portions. So take break in between. Relax yourself and listen continuously the videos, complete the videos listening properly, understanding properly, and then take notes in your classroom. Thank you, children.